So this is it, eh? Oh, it's blue. Actually, everything else in here is blue.
Yeah, why isn't it green version?
I don't know.
You gotta get all the blue parts anodized.
Yeah.
At least your coils are green.
The teens.
That's the only reason why you bought them.
I got them for the color. So Derp's actually has the same Cusco oil catch can in his car, except his is attached to the stock internals, whereas I have an aftermarket intake. So I'm just seeing, because mine didn't come with one of these either, so...
Goodbye. Where the fuck? Goodbye. That's the loop for the hard pushings
Shit, what the hell?
and the soft throw-ins.
That's sick. That's a sweet sticker idea. Cart bar. I feel like putting this on somewhere. Cart bar. Alright, so I'm going to be replacing these fog light harnesses because mine stopped working after a few months. Got brand new ones. We're going to be putting a Throttle Body Spacer, and Simon just threw in the Cartboy short shifter. So I don't know if it's the wiring, but I did this last year. I spliced it together using this thing. This is the fog light harness, and this is the fog light button. It works, but my fogs don't. So I'm not entirely sure what's wrong. I ordered a new set, and I'm going to be replacing it. This is where I grounded the wire. We're not going to be needing that no more. And I think I'll just take this out. And this is being supplied through the firewall in the engine bay, and I'll show you. Right here. So we're just going to replicate the same thing, and hopefully these wires hold up. It's just like the old one. And this time I'm going to try to clean the wires up a little bit. I'm going to go under here. There's a little rubber gasket that blocks it, but honestly, if I can just... It's so much easier with two hands. Moment of truth. Let's see, press the button. What the fuck? It's not even on, dude.
Birdie, your lights are on.
Simon figured it out. I just forgot to put the fuse in there, but it works now. Press the button.
I got it the right way for you.
You guys are jerks. Thank you, wifey. That's how did I want it?
This is flush though, like against it. I thought he wants it poking out. Jesus!
What's happening?
Zoom real close to the guns I brought with me.
Do you have a license for those?
No, just don't tell the cops. I rev the 240 right. side is a lot more forward than the left one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Let's see. You know what? Nobody needs to be looking at both sides at the same time. So.
Fuck, I asked you.
It's fine. I'm getting real skirts. They're gonna fit properly. A lot
No,
better
it's
than-
about the same.
I'm just saying it's blackface.
Oh,
Oh, I did.
oh God.
Oh, fuck.
It'll
It'll bump out. It's fine. It'll bump out.
No, let me just scratch it a little more, and then I'll do it on the other side. So.
Your eagle talons hurt. Ah! Nice. I'm slightly lower to the ground now.
Right now we're going to Metrotown. Waiting for Simon, but I'm with the FRS BRZ crew. We got Sammy taking along too.
This is the biggest mall in
Really?
It's supposed to be cooperative eating.
Dang.
Of the Asian, the ricer shop.
Yep. JDM, yo. Whoa. For the ride back?
Yeah.
That'd be good for my back.
Oh, there is nothing fence here.
Hey, how much is I don't know, 3x4 of the green?
$10 per foot.
Okay, sweet.
So, 30
Yeah, okay.
like racing stripes, you could use those. But if
Dope.
it's gonna be doing like, oh there you go.
Slap those BBS badges on your
Wheel
wheels. Or you can just replace your badge with the Honda.
I would rather Mustang.
Chrome green.
You do your whole car like color. Let's see, do you want a little mini FRS?
Oh, sweet.
There's the BRZ and the FRS.
Dope, yo, that's your car right there.
Oh, my friend's buying me one from Malaysia.
Yeah. Come on, the FRS doesn't have a spoiler. What is this?
I already have the car anyways. What's the point of buying another one?
I woke up with another siren in my mind. I can't decide if I was dreaming or alive. There's something circling the water where I'm swimming. Smoking weed is telling me the demon isn't winning, but girl, I'ma tell you what's next. I could play the rope filler if you really want that. I could be the one that you're gonna wanna want back. Even if I read into it deep, I got the combat ready on lock for you. I'm watching all the clocks, but the talk of the ticking hand stop for you. I'll write the plot for you, but won't implement an ending. My eyes are realizing what I'm witnessing is tempting, but let me recollect myself first. My lids are dropping low like that DG self-worth. I'm only under 20, gotta learn.
I want a pink toy.
Wait, I have been here before. That's exactly where I bought my green tow hook. Except those don't fit on our car.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, how did you get yours on?
I switched it up. The thread size is different.
Oh, blue one.
Do you have any other color? Other than those five?
Just got the black one.
I think
No, oh, that hurts my feelings.
We all drive the same car.
Yeah, we all have.
Well, we were the BRZ.
This is the release series color. It's like grayish.
oh the gray. Also, you guys are all like archer.
Yeah. Or we came in here for deals. Oh, you guys know these?
That's exactly it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab some of this.
不要。
算多了。
不算多了。对呀，你应该再付点才对了，你知道吗？
Oh, bro. That's awesome. Sounds legit. TNT, yo. Sammy's back. Now we're visiting Vapor Zones. The squad that rolls together stays forever. Hey man, wash your mouth. Vape life.
Vape life.
Pulled up, tell 'em pull the curtain, roll 2, no 3, got a fifth of bourbon, got foreign bitches that shepherd German, that I want the brain from, I need the learn, and they told us all that we'd end up broke, we sucked it up and we did the most, now we taking over, we want the globe, so it's to the west to go take the coast. Everyone got shit to say, I tell them grow up, when they try to bring us down, we only go up, we tell them that we in they city, everybody shows up.
Why are we watching me on YouTube? Peace out, guys.